Hey guys, so I'm on a bicycle right now. I met with a cool lady who actually opened up her home to me and say that riding a motorbike around Malacca is not the way. You should ride bicycle, then you can see everything. Yeah, so she's in front. She's riding so fast. Oh my god, trying to chase after her. So I'm going for, because she's going for a cooking class, so I'm going to see how she do cooking. But she said she don't allow us to actually record. So, oh my god. I'm here actually in one of a kitchen that is very interesting. We actually made it together. Actually, one is a chicken dish. It actually smells very good. There's a lime smell on top, and there's another one. It's actually a vegetable. It's very interesting. The smell is fantastic. I hope you guys can enjoy with me. But then yeah, we're gonna finish the food. So hope you guys see you guys later on. Maybe I'll be outside doing like exploring. So I enjoy this kitchen and the cooking class. So I hope I can come back and learn other type of dishes. So I would like to thank the host. Actually, she actually don't want to be filmed inside. But yeah, so you can ask me personally how to actually contact her, so that you can come here and experience her cooking class. Alright, thanks guys. Okay guys, so right now we are trying out the food. So I'm sharing the food with two of my friends. So I just show you guys their faces. And she is, what's your name?
Nina, hi.
And we are from Germany. So she's trying the food. So how do you think of, do you get the food already? No?
Just one.
Okay, let's see how what it tastes like. Let's see how she tastes like.
Okay.
Let's see. This is our hard work that we spent like a couple of hours here in the cooking. Yes, it's quite a long time. How is it?
Wonderful.
Is it spicy?
A little bit.
A little
but
bit?
it's okay.
Okay. Let's go to another one. I think she already tried some.
Yeah.
So, what's your name?
I'm Jana. I'm also from Germany.
Oh, okay. So, do you try the vegetable or the chicken?
Both.
Oh, both. How is it? How does it taste like?
Very good. Very good.
Did we do a good job?
Yes.
Really?
Of course.
Okay guys, so I'm going to try it. So we'll try the chicken because it looks very nice. So let me put down the camera. Okay. So I'm going to try it. So I'm going to get like a big chunk of it. Okay. So this is it. So the moment of truth.
Yeah.
Very interesting because I got a lot of the lime leaf on top, so the taste of lime suddenly like burst up to my nose. But it tastes perfect. The spice is just nice, not so spicy. I think it's just balanced between spicy and also sweet. So I guess we did actually a good job. So right now I'm going to try the vegetable. This is the vegetable. Basically it's stir fry with oyster sauce. So it tastes very good. So we're gonna enjoy the food with all my friends here. My two friends. Yep.
Bye bye.
So see you guys later on. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Okay guys, so I finally finished eating and I'm very full right now. And check out the place. It's quite cool, right? The cooking class is actually in front there. It's actually behind me now. It's inside. Yeah, I will link out this place below so that you guys can actually find out more about the cooking class. Okay guys, so we finished our food. I'm very full right now. So I just have to say goodbye to my two German friends. They are here.
Bye bye.
So yeah, so hopefully,
Germany.
yeah, hopefully I can go to Germany one day. and visit you guys over there.
Yeah.
So yeah, so basically they are going to KL tomorrow and buy some spices where they inspired by the cooking class. So me, I will be exploring around Malacca still. So see you guys on my next video. Alright, bye bye. Hey guys, I'm back at a homestay, which I got it. So basically now I'm just waiting to get a cold shower, and I just finished with the cooking class. I'm so exhausted because the whole day I've been traveling from Singapore to all the way to Melaka for like almost 4 hours, and then now I'm here. Finished the cooking class, finished exploring. I have not given the cat food yet, and hopefully tomorrow I get the chance to get the food for the cat, for the kitten, and then head back to the place and then try to feed the cat and the kitten. But for now I'm so exhausted after the whole day cooking and chatting with good people all over the world, and I met new friends, and I hope that you guys can check out my next video. So hopefully you guys can subscribe and like the video, and see you guys on the next video. Alright, see you guys, take care.